Ebzavo high GC News, Bima Obibia Aquaba. Hadia latest and hot news. Amqua Eramede Bremo. Anuti someone subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say obe subscribe. The obe say obe click a year subscribe button. Now wabele a year notification. We understand video for Frobia be upload when the first person I want sa ebeka a year video. Afi we are now like video give us a thumbs up now fi share ma Ato Forson na when you be here now who and someone ekoso e Ghana memo hanum afi yenti a years report here about to ya yenti a years Sammy yenti
personal yet to be trust on Serwaa Broni da wa or you say no so personal it's my for personal we are not interested in personal coffee e personal can have this conversation amembo the edition inside Mami adie ba coupe. Apart from so be Kwaku Annan besa, kete different from. Edem you.
Akufo Addo S vida. Ya na me hu vida.
Oyeden. Asante region oyeden. E ko be 40 commission 40 bed hospital. E was swami.
37.
Now no time now no so ye good no. They a fake posture. Trying to reorient the Ghanaian to believe in him say ono do ye said so bois. No, but my two was here from the time I no minister of Attorney General to Foreign Affairs, be a flag bearer. My two was analyze them say no parino or a con man. Yes, he's a con man. He intentionally blackmailed us for us to believe that said or a saint, but he's a con man. Shema, what's the Casa? I didn't know what to Abaso. One, there. Mammy, one, I am from Monabaso, 3 years.
David.
Mammy, one, Mammy,
personal, you know.
I can't remember as a personal. Personal, yet to be trusted on this Serwaa Broni Dawa, or you say, no, see a personal. It's meant for personal. We are not interested in personal coffee. A personal, I can have this conversation. I remember what the edition is. Mami adie ba coupe. Apart from so be Kwaku Annan besa, kete different from. Edem you.
No, they said some people will suffer on this earth before some people will grave mu. Some people in Jubilee House will suffer on this earth. Hwe, obi timi kofa business ba. No wo gremu a yeso okay. Wo mu free hoda no. Say a brony, the pattern of the violence, no be for phone, no afraid. My nan in the bar say no, only or more twasso, your budget to benefit them. Your member on the powerful front on no more yaduma. Then the panatan in the cheek. Who be friend, one found. Who caught new office now on your who will camera move, what I said, who can't chase a million. Who know? Now, obey the back. No, the Akako Shehonum. No more Jessica. No muji. Na mo fi se Nyankopon. Che se sabe. Eh na se Nyankopon e twi nti no. Ka ba ka se fi se Nyankopon ya la tani.
Ka se Nyankopon ya la tani enya.
Ala ta fon se o mo twi nti o mo.
O se o nche mo ni.
So de tie no. Wo yesa me se ehwa ketua obedai. Wo benya wasasi so ansewako. No, wasi se sika nyina. Wo ni Nyankopon be. E ti o mo nsa no aye peche. Afi sika ni guhui. Ushe sika se ya na wusuti utimi nyibi enni utimi fa chese utimi sori nkodo wako baabi akwakoji wani eni ade na no ne wo ye no emfa so ben na yeden abaso eti ya je bibia wo wiase mu ha ya emfa ya ni enhwe Nyankopon enwumre ya na me ka kire papa bi setama na me wo VIP utwa mu a o se o Hopeson kakra no wa ma me dash sa dash no de ma me no party for no ba me ho a eno na me de hwe won etoda fikesi mpeni papa ko ni secret fo nyina wo bo so ma ba me nchen wo honom sa dash na mo de ma me no eno na me de ma wo afi na papa no abie na no ana me so se yen nya mo mu position ni bia ekebe bua mafo bebre eso so yen nya mo na bunya ye no mo pakis ka chempase and then you expect people to come and vote for you. And yes, sir. Way a wake up call for JM and the entire NDC. Utie ye do two baby a kind nipa na only year juma or form water. So why then is money 4 years? I will Ghana for Babu. se one kai wo members na mo ye toboi obokoko giregiram eni ne kai ka ho no one kai wo mo a emre bi ba ebetu muti sese dia to MPP no hwe ebe bia na meka se ebe 2 or 3 days na mene lady edinkomo kana meka se like ye baba im
Mobile as MPP
that time.
Okay.
Na omuya location of government bangaros. Menya me nkwa me dey attach and say on accept me military. But ubia the chief director the sign. Me nkwa me dey was say me minister na sign. What deny me? Eye me ya. But upon second thought no, and I'm say I didn't you na say me man e ha me. Ada bi yimani. Nyamba bi wo honom step by step and ekoso. Ada mehwe. Ebi wo ha bia manim na ye cheche nyamba bi. Na ya charge ame. Na bi gina ho na mehwe. Me ye librefo. Batuni. Sa de na ekoso gina no. Na ye to my own good. I'm telling you. Meti on your friend MC bi say yes memfa hope say emra no so ba ho ne opesa wo kire enti metwan mu afi yenko yenye next week yenye next week metwetwe me ho sa amaso enye sa nka obehu me din ewo galamsey concession mu so ne telo ni pafoforo esa ba be frɛ me say me kokohu this yibi mano any ade na the way no say pressure me no ana me share that no koye ye di nkomo wi a me free ho no man friend this yibi pim ana me nim say onye se man friend na onye enti no sanne man na ekokoko so gina no na anu ya na me ka say sanne nyankopɔ nim ye enti a no o ma me twetwe me ho ye den e free ho look. Let us think about the nation. Obi timi travel bi na say hope se kra the position na wonya ye no or the ye because my sika my corruption man koye bukata am fancy say Ajapade enti no yetimi bisa me sa question no. Did I go there to loot or to help the state? Wodi ma dia corridor that the pay masemba. Me wo VIP. Oh yeah. To one day I was what frame you say wonderful you don't need to come here. That be master to be here. Oh my wife didn't call about me say member what you my driver. But no you man. One day no by say who say let me tell you political power. Now what just say what shop me. E to them say me kwa worry say corridor that o ma me na ntwie mu a. Na ntwie kakra kapa mu a.
Na ntwie afo chacha.
Me was say the way I who are Bonteno, I just are now here. So that you know, Yelfa or Mino and see a new cane. Man can say, oh, my office at me the bear tormenting Crawford. Now, Obi, Juma, what Juma Kaka say, Obi take it, rock a jelly jacket, no Sadia account. When they say, oh, no, they said some people will suffer on this earth before some of the people. Some people in Jubilee House will suffer on this earth. Omwa starting to land cruises. And the Koko they should stop it. Ya peke bibia. You may say ya peke. You can run, you cannot hide. That one, take it. Say, Mudim said I'm anymore.
Oh yeah,
I have my guys there. They say, more master 82 cars. What him say, Papa say Misata. That's say state manica. I know the free.
Yes.
Sade Kano, more mu use no, I know you. Yabeje. Yabejo. Every year mess or much in Yibiano. Papa say Misata the Dinka. Not that vetty. And now what shall do I console?
The being that so, and I say.
Nade onima so ma
okay
Lawrence di ho but as said ma etimi enya sanema no but ekwa yi a wo say adavet ne ko ba bi ni nyina we aware deputy something and the deputy something. We are aware. We will take it from you. That one, you should know. Men a GBA say, Ubetima smart. It will not happen. The team should not be intimidated. Ghana for Kasa on the 7th, whether you like it or not, there is going to be a handover.
Yeah, sure.
Eti, obi doing Ghana, and now yes, they are hand ube hand over. Yeah, who say Ghana for any ate, any be more, say eba abatu mo. We better say na MPP Asante MPP. Someone who money so adie. Or much will say yes. Say anything. President Mahama should take a cue from what happened.
Yeah.
Voter region is the base of NDC. Bawani koho. Say who opposition. Wamo jina wachi power naba. But when you go get a port to know or mungo see my
see defense
no munja my yen yabo say yen jina mwachinu we no mwati my yamai edruswa uboza umuko no boomsa say who share a total voter and this nyawo Ashanti region ubeti manyama me
total votes
okay Ashanti region alone Ashanti region so ubeti manyama me pesa me de kasembi
total votes in Ashanti region
who say NDC Ashanti region ababeye most stronghold
Ashanti region total vote are NDC there 554,937
and a voter region yes
voter region voter region 400 and voter region there 553,222.
Okay, let's just voter there no so say Ashanti Anas.
Yes, voter there no slightly Ashanti region there Ashanti region there 554,954
and now we have
553. So just a little something.
A little
yes
over the voter region.
Sure.
What you say because he said about for 20 MP and Kwankotua so I account for that because 2020
voter region.
No. I mean Ashanti region. 2020 NDC got about 600 and something thousand.
Yeah. MPP vote to you.
MPP vote in the next thing.
MPP vote to Ashanti region. MPP in 1,190,000.
Oh, forget.
390.
Now 2020 MPP nya 1,800,000 and something thousand. E kakiti binanka 1.9 million.
Say
1.9 million.
It been as a trauma the NDC no.
Ana bike. So dey no. Ne bike dina say omunye sa balance no, dynamics no etimi enye. Now, Kumasi Fosu for interchange. Don Mahama o 4 years no be so nanka interchange be 2. Create Masu Kumasi I can tell you they will be grateful to you.
If only Sikano Makwa kwaje for Swami and sign there.
Oh, that's why Swami there no kwa. Swami there no so.
Swami there no makate so. So mo babe ye. Jende yen grant say.
Angloga there no. So. Omo ntache.
Omo yifri mu. Omo ni sika no.
Omo ye no free.
Omo ye no free because sika dey ho. But Swami there dey omo akopɛ ho sika. E da abeto ho. E no mo dey ye. Say ensan ye dey a.
Ya be dey na sa.
Oh.
Hey, next minister for roads. Now they yes, power system no. Ah, oba so ba metre ni enti asa. Ana me wa.
Akwadwa boni di say.
Oba metre ni enti a sika nasa. You see, some of these things ye ja no manoko. Enti no, oba say di odi akire no. No no sa kwa the same thing.
Yeah, sure.
That is say ja manoko, ne di akire sa. Look, this is the time. Share 764 billion debt in Ghana so no. Or my bank and the ready so be Ghana busia. Institution bank and the ready so be Ghana busia. Internally no, say antima get creative and generate more internally ubon say ye ho eba be dey eba be tie. It is so about busia so the ba be interchange. Now feel was sisi pillars sisi money the kaka. Now ka sika na sa you have to vomit it.
140 million euro.
Eti sa oka sa asese utimi vomit it sika.
4-year interchange. Ba ko ekoso parliament. After say omofre parliament a friend say majority leader.
Yeah. Afenyo
Markins so on konkotena ho mo anko no.
Yeah.
If it's that time now parliament cast a ho do mo yetumi to fu engum.
Hey.
Imagine.
Yetumi to fu engum ka ne nko ba bia e kwa 200 cedis di kokoto gum na kokobra oba na sa sign no anu apa ke kanasi ho.
I don't know why are
Scarcely release farmer, Maunya be fine parliamentary business.
Sir.
And that is what is happening there now.
Wow.
Yes. Baby said you can say Parliament, near Cosono, Parliament cast a word win. In fact, Parliament land cruisers a word win. I must answer the rent or Monko for. Yes, okay, yeah, no rent be our parliament. Parliament land cruisers, yeah, parliamentary business. Any year, a Juba parliament one, yeah, they rent it.
On the MPs and a best staff, and
oh,
a staff on a bed.
The head of transport, our parliament. On the this yes.
I see. And yeah, all more one who. Say Abanka na wo rente na encrophobia or more baby garages na confiscation or more confiscation. Oh, baby, the open is one.
What for the devil?
Hey. Hey, Gazero, baby, Abukotono, receive the transfer of the money. You very know. Hey, me say, a dinkeke, and I hope say, me Bediatuo Hama me ba.
A dimpa.
Say me bakas or your politics, no casem papa the hopes in eyes. Oh, papa, no what you say, Hey, you're positive. Jessica me benya. And yet no na me fe. They say, you're better Ghana. Look, a time is coming. Sir, you will meet to Muno. People will start to think about Ghana. Say, would you be say, yeah, and yet, say, yeah, Ube Janet, say, Sadie will go on here. Yet, Dinano. Yet, Timmy say, President Akufo Addo S or nipa boninia to the extent. No. Nyama bebre wo hodo mu a waya ye be bona baso. Nyama bebre wo hodo mu a sabe meti fidie so na wo kan na me fi say sade we dey ya I will defend him. But the end of so no ye be kan. Ya anya ni sa ye nko ye dim as a nation. No there onya boko tena yi say and the condemn you be another say what defend it. No, we need to go beyond that.
Nakufa the bit with the sanity.
Oh, Yama Baku be able to bet me the sanity. Akufa Akufo Addo was okay. Was a good man. Mako break up to grow over. Akufo Addo was a good man. What did he? He allowed himself to be used by the family to get a bad name.
Then he's a bad man. Huh? Then he's a bad man. A bad dog stay with bad dogs.
They say he was a good man.
Yes.
He meant good for the country, but he allowed his family to make him bad.
Then he's a fake being.
Therefore,
repeat another time, another word. What the papa would say? Me too. Me can't to me home. Maybe I could be any when you pay a senator me. Me bedu atom. Assembly wo wi assembly ye betimi aka sei efie poku ya kire me They said it. Look, they destroyed Efia before me. I said,
why him lady?
I'm telling you. I'm gonna tell you. One day, Omu said, "Efia topan on me dibi no. Omu sure." Mkacha said, "Man, you can't destroy anybody to me, because I have a good heart. And because I have a good heart, me ma kwaina ume tete me ba via. Me ri o timi nche he. Because I said, "No kai."
Yeah.
Wait. Efia, kaba no ntimi nche ha. Na ntimi so nyiri mfimi nche. Sabe ko so amene ba de be ko.
Mpene.
Oh, me can't say me come baby. But me can't say. To a certain point, he say, "You have to cry the day nyekura." But I said, "No. Nipa ye buano, ye muano. Build the capacity of people. And yes, I know we are good. I don't know. Na dia who bush for the time no you good na bush for new. What are you talking about? Oh ye ni pam poni fiasa mano. Banano.
Oh God.
Me so ye ni pam poni fiasa mano. No, tio, dangerous. Say what me the president now within 4 years. Now what to your minor basa to minor training. The challenge I'm saying.
Captain, who did you mean? Sana Akufo Addo be president. And one for Ken Ofori Atta ama me finance minister. Nka wongu amanfo.
Na why na smano?
Who did he? Why na smano? Who did he? Chiasama bike. Nka wongu amanfo banks. Number 2. One say under JM. What my contractors Ekoko Jiska wo Endum Bank at the government projects.
Yeah.
Send the beya aban ebetua e de ama Endum.
Yeah.
Power system. I witnessed it once. Akufo Addo kachre Ken Ofori Atta say tuya papa ni sika no. That time my year audit. I agree on a certain amount. Was it tuya? Was it you okoye? Was it why you go up to now? Said then no tuya one CDI. I don't know. Emma ayi pakwasindum kofa Gary Numako. Efa gabby asare otchere darko sani pam you know way. Say omo enya the lawyers. No munko jisika no. He is ready to share with them 50-50. Omo kadei. Ken Ofori Atta si wontua. Na wo feel say wo data bank no from January to December 2025 net yo.
It doesn't mean say na that do say GM bank go.
What do you say? Me say what odano? Me say the bad effect of family and friends. Any no. What you say? You don't want to hurt your family member. Eti or boss today. What yet? But nka wono na dwene mu no. Hwe sika na madipa no. What is one yet? Hwe say wo mo yese wo nyi no kra no. Won say na ye ne ya ba. No di mi nyi no.
Otchere.
When I will be you no. What was it?
Oh, you know your ambassador, your friend.
That's right.
Minister at large.
So I know this. I am the ya. Send a bush in the airport. It is Samuel Magui. And you shy. Say why should you allow yourself to be used like this? Look at the PDS issue like this. Or do say last year the president elect no Pan Africa. And also kita audio of Gabby Asare watch shares no. And that day he promised say yes or the government official but he's going to prosecute him based on that audio.
Senior, me too when that's my deep president. The first lady ni. The Minister of Lands and Natural Resources ni. No ya madam for or ye minua me na ye adwuma. Na say odinsi hu na se me yina de na manyina dia. Me ne mi no na ye corrupt.
Munyina.
Okay?
Munyina.
Ken Ofori Atta. Na say nka Akufo Addo surunu. Ni kwa so man ben na mambu ho. But anya hwe nipa sesa. Nti so abawi na oye niam anya wow party mu nipa 88 omoye members of parliament. Se pamabranti na akoyi bedi wewu. What's the name?
88 out of 137. Na ye dia no betum so ni asre emrante no. Yete mwase ATS enye easy. But munya botre boko 70 wo haya. So on yete no. Baby a SCS secure no. Ye secure ho munya botre. Dwuma mu de mamo nsese nuama. Pan bia so. Yeah. Send ye to me asesa no. Be 1 man time pepe. No be on Tiakonya Biaso no, na so asesa. Let us a Moses Monia Paya day, a room, a Timunya Botre, Mamon Conco Giti, any other, your best security agencies and so. Move say, Sir atmosphere wino. Gyamfi brute force enko. Uyandesa a same more. It's yes, Yankasa Mamon Conco Moduma. But professionally, no, move Kayam Befaswa. Mobe sovwa enkonko jinsem enkonko ye basa any ade eti ye besre say gadafo mobi na ye fam paibo entai the new government eti so two man no so one to amano
independence ba ohun bibia timisi independence ba bibia timisi and ye independence kaneno this is the second timer Ghana independent. Here, JB. Akufo Addo, or a wicked, treacherous, anarchical, inconsiderate leader. Look, that old man, as if so be born a pafia Samado. As I born a power, Samado say, Ube di Ghana president. Kumo maino. Here, JB. The NAPO, I don't support it.
Yeah.
To be honest with you. But independence, baby, be at me see. What is Akufo Addo to them who says here?
Also say,
Obe, me say, Nana do one. I didn't crow my young one or quan any magic. Me can't be here.
Oh, that's, I mean, it's
and
bad.
And Uncle Fofi say, ye dear grow.
It's bad.
OJ?
It's bad.
That man is a wicked old man. When we say all of a sudden no be inama.
Yeah.
Adintra. He was waiting, say, Anka Bawumia, be winning a toy president. Now I be dressing PSO 7th January. Abe kabrofo nyansa ba kokura nim. Na ma boche ye Akufo Addo kabrofo. Chema Akufo Addo brofo ba ko waka nyansa wom ka ba ko kire me. Kawan.
Oh.
Kawan.
Fellow
Ghanaians, yes, Benu. What fellow Ghanaians are then fellow Ghanaians. Mama, another one.
Sit down.
Sit down means that as you are too an autocratic leader. You see, JB.
Or say I shall protect the public.
He should forget about that rubbish and that nonsense he said. That he himself has stolen the public purse. JB,
yes,
at its core, governance is about leadership. Now, this week in area, Mr. Samensa. Me read the sesame here. Me kasa besesa. Me read the juma na sesame here. Hwe. JB. Me de abufuo yaw apinisie na ye fa be wo so. Eto da me am wie na me fa show no back. Na me hwa utimi shuza God ntetenchen no hwemanim. Eto da director timi ba ha no wa ye ne sese Peter na toy otimi ye sei. Enye se menim se de me kana no nya de o menim. But JB, what's it on Maya, the president of the land, decided say on to aeroplane biu. Sika Akufo Addo de fa plane. Edrun so ye ne ya pampam. Sanko de sa sika ne to Emirates kakra ne bi kura kan fa so so. You spent over $200 million renting an aircraft. What a high plane. Na Asante in the high plane saying, Anka Akufo Addo betimi ato plane no, na kanana do betimi ato. No to ya keso Ghana from ato aeroplane. See ebe de do, see enye de do. At the end of the day, ebe be Ghana Japade. But unim, then Addo behave like an ostrich. I would the tear sham in him, telling the whole world that I am secured. na onam wiem na odwonso guye so ara na me bi so bi say aeroplane ye ne wom ye dwonso wom sa dwonso ne yehwe guyi
ebi aso pompo mu da ebi aso pompo mu da
ye hwe guyi
ye miengu ponu
epie epore se bia buku ye bia gu ponu mu a enam na ye we no fi
ye we nkrofo jana
you see na Ghana MPP before who you wicked people MPP before you wicked and they had the effrontery to go sit on radio to defend this autocratic leader. JB, the worst of it all, they say, Bisaka Ghana DSSA. What the Busa was like Ghana at the Kassing. Say, I'm no Kassing, you can trim 1 trillion.
Yeah.
1 trillion.
Because one of na country back who call ye. Oko rented private jets, or they call France to Belgium. It cost Ghana 2.8 million Ghana cedis.
Dollars, okay,
$2.8 million, yes. $2.8 million.
JB, now this old man, he behaved to say Arabian monarch. Otia kunyaso. Mr. Crowem, yenye independence fufro, yenye ni pabet na kroma. Me kan bibia efia. Many bra breno, me say efia.
Facebook asem.
Eko si Friday won. Na me wie. Because I have delivered. Na me wie me djuma. Sa you before we. Akufo Addo actually behaved like a typical UP monarchical colloquial person. Typical. Say, reduce the country to nothing. Na me or no. Your friend say, no.
Osu.
I thought I started in the graph on fa. Na me some American in Amdina Friday. In some American in American you. Thought I started in the graph Akufo Addo fa. Because when we say we didn't say who. Nti corner e ba no nim baby a e corner de be sie. Je?
Yeah.
One chichen crofo say near man de omunjai. But jebi, Eastern region, East no den or yeah. Tell boys to move yi. Eastern region, coalition center or East no den or yeah. What me a shenya me no match pen. Altar figure. Ya tu aba ya tu awie mani bre se ya ba Bawumia na mu na wo pese wo koma no
ono kra
we consider defeat it's afa wo kwotwe pen ni paper wo twe pen wo year 8 wo year 0 age wo ni anasa wo say I don't support what the youth are doing but je be ye independence a ho bibia to be see so ni ma me catch you.
But they should be measured.
No, I'm not saying they should do it. That's what I'm saying. I'm condemning it.
Yeah, sure.
And Ghana Nibia must be careful. Adebia obey from today going. Oje, John Ama, you are so tell me. Say, oh, you're president elect. Tell me who kasape me mejao. Must start my fire. JB, I buy way I spend almost $344 million. Woman SCS somebody akra one your friend say agenda 111. Ehun ye man nyina beduru.
Agenda 111 be.
Eti Jomamati, I don't know who will become the Minister of Health. But abai we CJBA and near me bia woman de beye agenda 111 no, from tiles to hospital beds to day to paint day bibia o makraba. Eti transition team ni mbisa o say sa niam na o de $370 million akra no o ko gu hin because me yet na krom han hwe John Mahama no san ko pesika foforo so de ko complete agenda 111 and then kapadi no body some
there be endo kra de yempne
because you are spending over $300 million akra niam yere be agenda 111 and I know very well said niam no e won krofo ho akwabi on the in charge of betting tax ne niam no to jowlu wasesape Land Cruisers be 8 na woni fie hodi na no ebi me ka to be all Land Cruisers ni ko sisi ni ya we e cha no pa mema boys akofa me ka kire won utu sesi ya free hoso ye behu wo san tu biom ye behu ye fa Kwabena ya ka me mo ono anim ne ho baby all Land Cruisers ni na koguru na no ye be ma be fa. And let me tell you, JB, let me say this on air. I'll put together a member together. Adia ebe ye nyina ne say Ghana Japade bia wo bia ho bia emeje. And this one, mark my words anywhere. Yeah, JB. Agenda 111 here omusisi.
Yeah.
Say Gomoa West agenda 111. O makosesa neme wo hu nyina.
Yes, sure.
Me ba me na metie mu.
Yeah.
Ewutu,
yes.
O makosesa neme ni na. What do you say, boys, fianga boys, we know, little boys. When what that audacity, that authority to go there, say, what, Shaka, no, the corner of the quarters and near man. Why the better rent is Saka? Some boys no more. That's right. Now, district chief executive, MPP for
no, the anymore.
Ghana 2028, I see a 12 MPP. 2032, I see a 12. No. Me 2028 No, yeah, 2028. Remember Metro constituency to do MPP be. We need to punish her when we are mambefwe with differ me kabibia. Na me so betimi wo me say it is possible aba wo bunyankopon kwasea. Akufo Addo ne Bawumia tumi ahwe nyame anim ebudu kwasea. Nipo tumi bunyankopon kwasea. We are so as I cover Yankupa and Bible. It is possible. It is only. It is possible. Now it is possible in Yamiasem. Now what that Yankupa so by the cathedral bano. Say Jesus is sorry her Safuano. What pen Ghana cathedral Safuan say yes to you. I'm sure that's it. I'm no macra. Me. Oje?
Sure.
Say I'm no say. Some boys na yachi no. Lucky yetina ye say MPP lose election.
Yeah, sure.
And the police phone through, and this is a warning to the Ghana Police Service for not watching Colorado. Just so ye Bemano unjawo. We will match the Green Army to every corner of this country. Nobody should try to calm anybody down because Mame aberwana yedene to ambulance him ekohwie ni gu akwantimfi.
Yeah.
So gomo baby.
Gomo ya baby ya o. Mponu a osedan. Na mame a se wonya accident to se oyare o. Minia na akoda hospital. Yesi yenim ne busuani nti ontimi ntua. Na ya sesa na gu ambulance him akoyi na gu muram. Ne nsu ato abu mami pani a osan yare ma na wowu ya etese wanya obi a ye friend president Bawumia ne nam krom ha bembram ase ne to ne bo almost sifia ne bi e na osa kremoni a osa secular song muslima Esaka bismillahirrahmanirrahim bismillahirrahmanirrahim alhamdulillah lebro alabilaila ena sesoto na ojina stage so esa sisifian wo won nsa wo wiem to sekotani a wadidi amen
sisifian de na yono na esa o
na osa sisifian
e benje NAPO ne
wa hono sisifian da asa na meye wa ha no
adi de na sare na bayi
na baba me sisifian
ba me sisifian na osa no
muslim osa sisifian
esa do sa on beat
na yetimi ama mami otese na wewu onwuram wewu onwuram. And you know what, JB? Mafia, mami no ho. I can see her in her grave weeping. See that woman.
You won't there, yeah. I mean, it's painful.
That a country called Ghana, a country of gold, diamond, and bauxite, could just throw an innocent, sick old woman into the bush. No, woo. Na ye no, yeti krom ha, Vice President and Kashi, President and Kashi, First Lady, so your ba.
Yeah.
second lady saw your bar,
Yeah.
and we watched on and treated
Chief
an
of Staff
innocent
Sayoba.
old woman like that. Nobody said anything. Do you think that this woman, her last breath, what was it? It was a curse. Whom your G, yeah, a chatwa, or the co wono, and you know me.
Yo, it for winning and summer abeto. Yep, so make our say so. We can subscribe to channel idea. Bawumia say over subscribe. Now, feel well like if video, give us a thumbs up. And share my offer for so. Now, when you be here, Sanse Hadia later and hot news and kwa era me bravo. Also, bet me otchere wadwin afaye and some way you know our comment box ni mu. Mubati minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.